Good morning, dear students. Myself Prakash Thakre, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department, Sri Rautpura Sarkar University, Raipur. Today, I will take a subject of mechanical measurement and metrology. Unit number 1, Measurement System. So, first one, what is measurement? So, the measurement is an act of quantitative comparison between predetermined standard and unknown magnitudes. Probably whatever exists in some amount. The determination of the amount is what measurement is all about. Next, measurand, the physical quantity or the characteristics condition which is the object of measurement is termed as measurand. Measurand is also known as input signal. Second number, the measurand may be fundamental quantity like length, mass and time, derived quantity, speed, velocity, acceleration, etc. Measuring instrument. There are different types of measuring instrument. There are first one, mechanical instrument. This instrument has moving parts that are rigid, heavy and bulk and consequently having a large mass present, inertia problems, and hence these instruments are very reliable for static and stable condition. Second, electrical instrument. Electrical instrument is inclinating the output of detectors are more rapid than mechanical instrument, but in some cases the electrical system depends upon the mechanical system. Therefore, this instrument has poor frequency response. Third, electronic instrument. This instrument are semiconductor device. Since in electronic device the moment involved only is that of electrons, but the response time is extremely small on account of very small inertia of electrons. Advantages of this instrument is that very weak signal can be detected by using pre-amplifiers and amplifiers. Next, fourth number, absolute instrument. These instruments give the magnitude of the quantity under measurement in terms of physical constant of the instrument. Example, tangent galvanometer. Next, fifth number of instrument, analog instrument. In analog instruments, indications which vary in continuous fashion and take on an infinity of values in any given range are called analog indication, and the instruments which handle this signal are called analog instruments. Example, speedometer of an automobile, wristwatch, fuel gauge, ammeter and voltmeter, etc. Next, six number, digital instruments. Indications which vary in discrete steps and thus take up only finite different values in a given range are called digital signals, and the instruments which handle such signal are called as a digital instrument. Example, the timer on scoreboard. And then second is example is that calibrated balance of platform scale. Next example, odometer of an automobile, etc. So this is the measuring instrument of this topic. Thank you.